The garage door is not working. For some reason today it just stopped working. This garage stopped working as well. It was working before and it stopped working. Someone hacked it. Check this out. It won't work. It's not working. Oh, now it's working. Went back up again. Heck. Look at this. Went back up again. I'm gonna try it one more time. Look at this. It's hacked. Never get garage doors, garage door openers. It's it's hackable by neighbors nearby. I'm not a hacker, but I know there's a hacker nearby our house. Walks into our garage and stuff like that. So just don't get one of these garage door openers, and that's it.